Hello, Emily. Hello, Summer, or whoever else might be helping you with this. This is just going to be very quick, quickly show you what we need to do. Number one, when you log in, you may or may not have a problem here. So if you do, which in this case I didn't, and you can log in like this, but if you do have a problem, which I'm going to show you if you have a problem logging in, if you go to the EcoReal Tools Education /user, you get to this page, and if you put in your email address and the password that we gave you, you should be able to log in fine. Now what you need to do is to go into whatever section that you're working on, and I would suggest starting with sustainable sites and water efficiency, because I have some work to do here, but you'll still be able to do it. You see that there's an edit button here, and what you want to do is, here it's already set up for full HTML. If for some reason you don't see this stuff coming across the top, then if you just change this to full HTML, it'll show up. And really all I'm looking for, Summer and Emily, is really just a summary of what's being covered in that particular series, and maybe some highlighted bullet points as to what happens in that series, just so that it's kind of a quick snap. And then everything else is generally filled in, except for down here where you have your class synopsis and your order form. And I think the order form can be an extension of the class synopsis, but this is just one of those things, if they fill it in and then send it to you, then there's some people that just don't like websites, so they can maybe do it that way. That's the only reason why this is here. But the class synopsis, what I was thinking it should be, is kind of a marketing blurb that would have your the class synopsis on it, and then what points and webinars are available. So it's pretty much recreating this front page. And just so that you know, Emily, when you try to come to this site, this section here does not show up unless you're a member of the group that allows access to this content. So just so that you're understanding what's happening. So if you get that filled in, then you need to go to each one of the parts of the series, and again, we're looking for a synopsis of what's being discussed in this on this video, and it's kind of telling you right here that you're covering water efficiency points. And when it's the 0, then that's actually the prerequisite. As Summer, I'm sure, knows. Well, she doesn't know, but I added that as being the number for prerequisites, so that it does it via a number. And then you're just doing the same thing. Edit, changing here. In this case, see how it says filtered? You don't have that thing across the top. So if you change it to full HTML, now it changes so that you have access to some of this stuff. Now, I would not kill yourself on the formatting, because there are some issues between what this does and what the site does. So if you just get the verbiage in there, I can work with you to fix it and tell you, what I find out. And as you can see, some of this I haven't actually put the points in that are covered inside. Oh, yes, I have, because this is a prerequisite. There are no points available. And really, again, all I'm really looking to have you do is fill in this portion of it, because this is really what's missing when it comes to the series lectures. So just to review, what we're looking for at this point is each of the 5 series to have a series synopsis, both in the text of the page, which again is just by hitting the edit button, changing it here. Then we would like to have, or I would like to have, a class synopsis in a PDF form that gets attached here, not in a document form, like a DOC, but a PDF form, and attach it there. And then all you do is press save. So that's what you need to do for the series. And then inside the series, if you press this button right here, or the header, you then edit and fix the synopsis for each lecture. And again, the whole idea here is that you're going to give an overview of what it is, and then what's the important point or points that are going to be coming across in the tests for whatever lead point is being discussed in that part of the lecture series. Okay, so hopefully that's good for you. Sorry I took 5 minutes to tell you that, but hopefully that's it. And if you got any questions, just give me an email or give me a shout out. Talk to you then. Bye.